Hi everyone, I'm PJ with ZooFit, and this is another Healthy You, Healthy Earth. Why is it so hard to stay committed to our New Year's resolutions? And you may be comforted to hear that science says it's not necessarily your fault. We often struggle to stick with our New Year's goals. Researchers show that there is a direct link between our effort and our success. And the closer the two are, the more likely we are to commit and stick to our goals. A popular fitness meme tells us it takes 4 weeks for us to notice changes and up to 12 weeks before others do. That's an enormous gap between our effort and success. No wonder so many of us fall off the bandwagon before we're even halfway there. But it's not just fitness or healthy habits which falter. Conservation is a constant struggle for researchers, scientists, and environmentalists. Because if we can't see the results of our efforts, we lose sight of why we're working towards our goals. And when those results are thousands of miles away, say in the ocean or Africa or Indonesia, it's hard to stay focused. There's just too much of a gap between our effort and success. Now, ZooFit works to create a direct and close link between our effort for both fitness and conservation with positive reinforcement and with our concept of conservation fitness. It's easier to stick with our conservation efforts when we see the results, even if it's in our own health. And it's easier to stick with our healthy habits when we get immediate gratification. Instead of waiting weeks to see the results from our efforts and being our best versions of ourselves, I encourage us to find ways to reinforce and reward our progress each step of the way. Now, how far is your bridge between effort and success? What are some of the ways that you can narrow that gap? Let's do that and make the direct link to changing our lives.